Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your DNS server address on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your search menu, so go ahead and click on the little magnifying glass and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video. You could copy and paste it in. Otherwise, you can just type it in like you see it on my screen, which is going to be ipconfig space /all. So again, ipconfig space /all. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now I will have everything on the right side blurred out in my case here. But when you go underneath DNS servers over here, it should tell you everything over on the right side. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.